Welcome back. Today's video is about the overbought, oversold indicator of the 20 DMF. This indicator can be found here in the end of day section. You click on 20 DMF and you reach this indicator here. So this indicator is used only to produce buy oversold signals. You can see here that this indicator is rated between 100 and minus 100. The overbought level is set at plus 70. The oversold level is set at minus 70. These are arbitrary level. Okay, how is this indicator calculated? This, as the 20 DMF, is a sector-based indicator. Let's go back to the sectors. We take one sector. Come on, okay. Okay, let's take the housing, home builders. Okay. What I do here is to evaluate the position of the price trend. I will see if this price above the average, and is this price trend increasing, which is the case here. But I would do the same for the money flow. Is the money flow above the average? Is it above or below zero? Is it increasing or decreasing? Depending on the combination of these indications, these measures, I will give a rating that is between minus 5 and plus 5 for this specific sector. So I will simply add all these ratings, and then I normalize these ratings to finally build this overbought, oversold indicator here. I want to stress here that the buy signal issued by this indicator are very effective, very strong signals. Let's look at the statistics. Okay, here are the statistics of the 5 different buy signals that are issued by the 20 DMF model. The bought oversold signal would produce a 5-day gain of 2.25%. What is bought oversold? Let's go back to this indicator. A buy oversold signal is issued when this indicator falls much below the oversold level and then bounces back just a little by 3 points. It's very small bounce back up. As soon as it bounces back up, this indicates that some money is moving back in a very oversold market. This is a very strong signal, and you absolutely need to buy such a signal. And such signal gives 2.25% return for the next 5 days. What does it mean? Okay, if you calculate on a yearly base, so you multiply by 220, you get a 99% gain, yearly gain for this type of signal. If you compare the other signals, you see you have the bought protected 70 is 91%, the bought protected 30 is 27%. It's much, in fact, the deeper you go in oversold, the better your return. So what is the bought protected 70? Let's go back to the graph here. The bought protected 70 is just occurred here. It is when you dip slightly below the minus 70 level and then bounce back up. Then you have a bought minus 70. A bought protector 30 is when the signal, for example, here dips below the 30 level, goes there, minus 30 level, but does not drop below the minus 70. It means that when it gets past the plus 30, then it will issue a buy signal here. This was not the case here, of course. Then you have the normal buy signal. This is a signal that is issued when the money flow, that is the upper panel, cross above the zero level, and the fourth buy signal. This is the weakest of all the buy signal, is simply a trend following signal. This occurs when all the market is making a new high and all the average are going higher. But this is really not that interesting. So we can see here today that we are at minus 60. So I really hope that this market will pull back much further, that the Greek situation, the China situation will panic everyone is selling, because as soon as I see this dipping back and then bouncing up, I will buy. And this is the way that you can make good money using this indicator. Thank you.